Enter time in Microsoft Bookings. Welcome to M365 Professional. Microsoft Bookings allows you to change your business and employee hours on the fly to account for closures and employee absences. From the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, select the app launcher. Choose Bookings. Then the calendar you want to adjust. On the calendar page, select Add Time Off. Enter details such as a title, start date, end date, service, location, and any applicable notes. If the closure is only for part of a day, turn off the all-day toggle and enter the hours of your choice. If the closure applies to the whole business, select all of the staff members. If it only applies to certain staff members, choose them and select Create Time Off. Customers will no longer be able to book the selected staff members during the closure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.